You need to talk, boss. You look boring. Say something. Say something.
Talking.
Say something. Right.
And they're off.
Hello, welcome to Popalong RC, the RC car channel dedicated to RC car racing, and we're a couple of old boys, aren't we?
We are a couple of old boys.
a certain vintage.
So, yeah, I was going to say, some may say vintage, which brings me on to what I'm about to say. We're going to be racing vintage cars here today. We're going to be racing two-wheel drive vintage, four-wheel drive vintage. I have got me YZ, I say mine, Pitman Days YZ10. I bought a Cougar as well, so if I get half a chance, I'm going to bring them out. I'm not too fussed about racing myself, but we've got some very good drivers and we've got some noobs turning up. Let's see how we get on.
Have a look at this, boss. We have got a little makeshift rostrum,
Yeah.
and a practice track. But
Yeah, I'm going to go up. There you go. Let's.
Some of the people
Old
actually
school.
came yesterday or last week. They spent more time on this grass track than they did up on the big track because it's fun. And then look over there, boss. We've got our chase around rally track. You coming over there in a bit?
No, I ain't coming over there in a bit. You will not see me running around after my car, mate. That is one thing I will not be doing.
You're going to race
Stupid.
again. You've got to do it. You've got to do it.
Stupid,
You've got to set
man.
an example, boss.
Anyway, look, enough waffle. Let's see some cars racing.
So, it is still practice o'clock. Mark is running Mr. Hampson's JC10, I believe, which is this one here, which is going round. But then we have Pitman Dave running his YZ10. Now, this is the sister car to the one that Mark's got, actually.
The old money pit looks quite good.
This one is the money pit
This one
coming round. So
it should be. when you work out how much it costs.
next up it is RC10, JC10, bit of track time for the two on this grass track. Mark and I have spent probably more time on this track than we have on the main track at the top. Seeing these old cars go around on grass is something very nostalgic. Racing. We've got Mark out with his Cougar, his Bender Cougar Bender. Now I have just put down a stonking lap running an RC10. I just confirmed I was a lap up on everyone in the last heat, so I'm going to be very happy. That's my good run of the day. But looks like Mark's got some traffic to work through here. I'm actually recording and on the mic. This is going to be interesting to see if it comes out. Great little battle on the track here. We've got all sorts of cars on the track. A little bit of a somersault pirouette. Mark slides through. Oh, careful and straight there with the marshal. Nice little big wheeler going around as well. A bit of loose on the back end. But Mark's made it through this little bit of traffic to see if he can now work his way up the track. Flying through, looking pretty smooth. I'm not sure who. Ooh, he's made a little mistake. So he's back in the battle here. I think it might be two Cougars head to head at the moment. Nice little battle on track. Mark's going to be enjoying this. So, oh, lovely move up the inside of Pro Racer Mark there.
Car 5. Car 6. Car 1. Car 8.
So we've got, as I said, Mark is running Pitman Dave's YZ10. He's running with the pink wheels, yellow shell, fluorescent. Coming around onto the straight now. He's putting together some nice clean laps. Working his way through the pack. But who is out in the lead?
After 45 seconds, the top driver Soluto lead in first place, followed by Gareth Putnam in second place, followed by Robert.
Okay, so it sounds like Tinkerbell is out in first.
Right, so we've got Carl up here. He's having a little go. Let's see if we can follow him round. Right, I've had word he's driving this car. Let's see how he's getting on. The green RC10. Okay, not bad. They do handle well, the old RC10s. I didn't bring mine today, and I should have done. But hey, doesn't matter. No, he's looking quite good, looking quite consistent. Pulling over because we are just merely, Carl and I, jumping in on the odd heat here and there. I haven't even got a transponder in mine, but yeah, he's doing alright. Not bad. Right, sorry to pull the camera out on you, Mark, here, but what car is this?
YZ10R25.
The YZ10R25, the Trick Bits car, is this correct?
Yes,
that is a nice car. That is a nice car. Apparently we might be running one. If Albie sees this video, he might let us borrow one. I don't know, for revival. We'll see. But you are going well today. It's looking very nice. Actually, you and Dave here. I haven't quite joined the party with mine, but you never know. But yeah, looking good, looking fast. Well, good luck.
Cheers, thank you.
Okay, this is the main event. This is the A final four-wheel drive. And I think once again, old who's on pole there? That is not Pitman Dave. And they're off, and here we go. Mark Weston is up in front there. Right, here we go. Oh, a little bit of taggage there. That's all good. We'll let that one go. Oh, the two YZ10 cars. Oh! Okay, all right. Bit scrappy, but okay. Ah!
I'm going to say it's a Samuel. Right. The red knuckles. Yeah, is it Mentoray, is it? So the Samuel Mentoray leads the way. The body's a free lead, it's not a Mentoray body.
Ah, so, whoa! Right, this car here, we think, is it a Tamiya Manta Ray with a different body shell? That'd be interesting. We could well get a Tamiya winner, but look who's behind here. Oh, that's the second person that's done that. Now, is that Dave? I think that's Dave. Is that Dave? Whoa, that's Dave. Okay. He's out in front now, I do believe. One on its roof. The pressure's quite high. The track is super grippy. So, of course, people are pushing super hard. It's absolutely wheeling. So we've got the two yokes in front. Now we've got the Manta Ray in second. Mark has had an unfortunate accident over there. Dave is once again on the front of this one. He's done well today. He's flying with this car. It is looking super dialed. We're 2 minutes in. Now, this Manta Ray is on the charge. It's definitely catching up. So, I actually think he's quicker than the yoke, you know. He's really flying. But this is where I think the race lies. I'm not going to move away from these guys because I forget who's in the lead and it all goes a bit wrong. But I don't know, I think they're kind of neck and neck. He slipped back a bit, but Dave's holding his own, as he always does. This is the last race of the day. I think the track's going to remain open for a bit longer because Carl and I, we haven't really done a lot of racing, but we wasn't here to race. We were here to put on the event with the guys here at Milland. And we couldn't do everything. So, we will have a play in a bit. But nevertheless, now it could all change because Dave's pushing. He clipped the corner there. A lot of people are clipping that. He's slowing up a bit. Nice, still going strong. Closely followed. I say closely. I think he's dropped back a bit now. This Tamiya. But he's still flying. Okay, so Mark. So we've got a YZ10 in the front there. We have got the Tamiya in second, and we've got the YZ10 Trick Bits car in third place. I do believe Dave is running the YZ10 Trick Bits car here. I will ask him and I'll get back to you on it. He's got two with him today. He's got an original and he's got this one, so not too sure which one he's gone for this final, but he's doing really well. He's getting around beautifully. He's got the lines dialed, and the track does come into its own around this time of day, obviously, when the sun comes out. Oh, he's got... Yeah, not much to report, really. He's flying away. He's enjoying himself today. He's competing in just about every class going and done very, very well. And that's because he puts the work in. It's much like anything RC racing. If you put the work in, if you graft, if you ask questions, hunt down your local club guru, you're going to do very, very well. Obviously, some things go wrong. My wheel fell off earlier when I had a little go. Luckily, it wasn't on camera. Right, I think the race is pretty much done. So I do think he's coming around for the finish. Yep, that is it. That's the end of the race. Now, he's got to finish this without crashing, because you never know. Okay, this is it. This is the line there. And Dave takes the win. Well done, Dave. I think second may have been that one. Not sure. And there we go. That is the last final of the day. What an amazing day.